Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify business partnerships with the Better Business Bureau step by step clearly. Visit the official Better Business Bureau website. Locate the search bar on the home page. Enter the name of the business you want to verify. Select the appropriate location or city. Click on the search icon to initiate the query. Review the search results to find the specific business. Click on the business name to access its profile. Examine the business's rating provided by the BBB. Check the number of customer complaints filed against the business. Read the responses from the business to those complaints. Look for any BBB accreditation status listed on the profile. Review any customer reviews posted on the profile. Confirm the business's contact information and website links. Note any additional information provided about the business's services. Take note of any warnings or alerts associated with the business. If necessary, reach out to the BBB directly for more detailed inquiries. Make a decision based on the information gathered from the BBB profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.